I haven't seen a campus quite like this before. We're all private rooms, a much needed service at the lake. Absolutely, that sets us apart. But also our care. We're gonna have and provide top quality care.
Arrowhead Senior Living Community is going to offer both assisted living and skilled nursing. Assisted living will consist of 90 beds, 16 of which will be memory care. Our skilled nursing will have 80 beds. We will offer a rapid recovery and as well as long-term care.
Our first, obviously, is skilled nursing facility. So of that skilled nursing we have rapid recovery program. So that would involve someone that's maybe been in the hospital, had a hip fracture, knee replacement, a stroke. They need to come and get rehabilitative care and then go home.
We are going to employ our own physical, occupational, and speech therapists. We have a state-of-the-art gym that patients will be able to utilize, and our therapists will build a program that really focuses on their individual needs.
And then we obviously will offer long-term care as well. And then on the other side, we have assisted living. So basically for people that just need a little bit of help with their daily tasks. And we have a 16-bed memory care unit. And the memory care unit focuses on people with Alzheimer's and other types of dementia.
Arrowhead, on our skilled side, will offer all private rooms. Currently in the lake area, there's not another facility that's able to offer that. They'll have their own private bathroom and really have their own space.
So when we go to the assisted living side, we offer 4 different room sizes. We have a studio deluxe, a 1-bedroom, and a 1-bedroom deluxe. They all have a kitchenette in them. And obviously a private shower, private bath. And then when we go to the memory care, there's 16 rooms that are similar. They're private studio type apartments with a private restroom as well.
As beautiful as this property is and the facility may be, our focus is going to be on patient care. We're going to offer the best possible patient care that we can provide.
So Midwest Health is based out of Topeka, Kansas. It's a family-owned business. They've been in business providing health care for over 40 years. They have facilities across the Midwest. They're about in the mid-50s, as far as the number of facilities range. And it's owned by Jim Klossman. And Jim is actually he's a big lake guy. He loves coming down to the lake and always wanted to build a premier property here for lake seniors. It's been a process. The ground from Dogwood Hills Golf Course was purchased in late 2013. And it's been a process from that point. Obviously, the property was bought with Arrowhead in mind. So here we are, 5.5 years later, getting ready to open in a couple weeks. I'm Jeff Bowser, Administrator of Arrowhead Senior Living Community.
I'm Veronica Dobbins, Social Services Director at Arrowhead Senior Living Community. Our family caring for yours.